ones who lost their lives in the war. On the streets, those who can't take anymore. Angry, passive, or fatigued, most of us will stay indoors. We believe that it won't happen to us. Three wise monkeys saying, what's all the fuss? What's the fucking point in